Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily English Listening Stories, where English feels simple, real, and fun. Let me ask you something. Do you remember what you did this morning? Did you wake up early? Drink some coffee? Maybe check your phone first thing? Now, imagine this. You can turn all those simple, everyday actions into a perfect English lesson. Sounds too easy, right? Well, today, I'll show you exactly how to do it. And by the end of this episode, you'll know how to talk about your daily routine like a real English speaker. You see, most people think learning English has to be hard, with grammar books, big words, and boring lessons. But that's not true. In fact, the best English teacher you'll ever have is not me, not your textbook. It's your daily life. That's right. Your morning coffee, your walk to work, your dinner with friends. All of that can become real English practice. So, let's start from the beginning. Your daily routine. When you wake up, what do? You can say, I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I make coffee. I check my messages. Simple, right? Now, here's your first tip. Write it down. Take a notebook or use your phone's notes app. Write short, easy sentences about your day. For example, I wake up at 7. I have breakfast. I go to work. That's it. It seems simple, but trust me, this small step is powerful. Why? Because when you write your day in English, you start thinking in English. You're not translating anymore. You're describing your real life in your new language. Now, let's make it even better. Read your sentences out loud. I know, it might feel strange at first, but don't worry. Your wall or mirror won't judge you. Reading out loud connects your eyes, your mouth, and your ears. You write, you speak, and you listen all at once. It's like training your brain and tongue to work together. So if you wrote, I eat breakfast at 8, say it out loud. I eat breakfast at 8. Now, you're not just studying English, you're using English. All right, next tip. And this one's my favorite. Do the same thing at night, but use the past tense. In the morning, you write, I go to work. At night, you write, I went to work. Morning, I eat breakfast. Night, I ate breakfast. Morning, I watch TV. Night, I watched TV. See? You're learning grammar naturally, without thinking about rules or memorizing charts. You're just telling the story of your day. And that's how grammar becomes real. Now, you might be thinking, Leo, I'm too busy. I don't have time for this. But here's the thing. You only need 5 minutes a day. 5 minutes to write, 5 minutes to read out loud. You can do it with your morning coffee. You can do it before bed. You can even do it on the bus. The key is to make it a habit, just like brushing your teeth. Little by little, your English will grow and you won't even notice it happening. Now, Once you've built the habit, it's time to level up. Start adding details. Week 1, I had breakfast. Week 2, I had breakfast. I ate toast and eggs. Week 3, I had a quick breakfast because I was late for work. Can you hear the difference? It's more interesting, more natural, more alive. That's how you go from short, simple sentences to real, fluent English, step by step. You don't need long, fancy words. You just need your words, the ones that describe your life. Now here comes the fun part. If you really want to hear your progress, record yourself. Yep, use your phone. Open the voice recorder. Say something like, "Hello, today is Monday. I woke up at 7. I went to work. I had lunch with my friend. It was a good day." That's it. Just 1 minute. Do this every week. Then, after 1 month, listen to your first recording again. I promise you'll be shocked. You'll hear your pronunciation, your confidence, your rhythm, all improving. And it feels amazing. That moment when you realize, wow, I sound better now. Let's take a quick recap. Step 1. Write short sentences about your day. Step 2. Read them out loud. Step 3. At night, rewrite them in the past tense. Step 4. Make it a daily habit. Step 5. Add more details every week. Step 6. Record your voice once a week. Do these 6 steps, and your English will grow faster than you think. So here's my challenge for you. Right now, pause this podcast and write 2 simple sentences about your morning. It can be, I woke up at 7. I drank coffee. Easy, right? Then come back and leave a comment below. I did my 2 sentences today. I read every single one, and I love seeing your progress. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar to speak English. You just need to talk about your life every single day. Your routine is your best English teacher. Your coffee, your commute, your dinner, all of it is a lesson. So make your daily life your classroom and let your routine teach you English naturally. Thank you for listening today. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend. And don't forget to comment below. My life is my English lesson. All right, my friends, keep listening, keep learning, and keep speaking English every day. See you next time.